cold, snowy weather, and with me, my mom, and my sister over there. It is cold, like what she said. It's like maybe like 20 degrees, 19 degrees, I don't know. It's cold. Huh? It's cold and it's slippery, snowing. We can get that wet, right? We can get that wet? Okay, so I want to get a video of you snowing. Shoveling.
Here, switch with me.
Switch one.
I got it.
We have another shovel. On this night. Woo! Are you ready for more snow?
What?
Are you ready for more snow?
No, I hate snow and I'm ready to move to Miami. Maggie, we're coming down.
Do we have a shovel?
Yeah, we have one more.
Oh, here's a shovel.
That one right there, 'cause I got to do the driveway again.
I know.